Hello to all my love and light beings. Welcome back to my station. For those of you who are new, my name is Shawn Ivan D. And I know I've been gone for about 3 weeks now. Actually 2. Just got back to Anchorage, Alaska from a long trip. We went down to Idaho, Boise, and drove to Idaho Falls. And then from Idaho Falls we drove to Burlington, Washington. Took about 2 total days. So I just got home. We came home actually last night about 8 o'clock in the evening and went to the post office this afternoon. I just got something in the mail, and this is from Liz. If you haven't heard of her, you should check out her channel. It's LizFashionTalents, and I'll leave a description in the box below. When I had first seen her channel, I actually subscribed right away. I was her 100th subscriber. So happy to show my love and support to other small YouTubers like myself. And she's actually at like 250 plus now, which is really awesome. So congratulations to Liz for that. And I got this little package in the mail today. Here's a little card. Let's see what it says. Oh, that is so awesome. A note from Liz, and I love lighthouses. They really remind me of my granddad. That is so cool. I was gonna say, how did she know? It actually looks like, kind of looks like Peggy's Cove Lighthouse out in Nova Scotia, Halifax, Canada. She says, welcome to my channel. Thank you for being my number 100 subby. I truly appreciate it. Thanks for giving so much support and showing your love. A special thank you. I hope you enjoy the gifts and clothes, sending them with much love, good vibes, and light. You will always have my support. Have a great day. Liz Fashion Talents. Oh, that's so sweet. Thank you, Liz. And I knew she was going to get this because I had actually commented on her video. I really liked the tape that she was using for her eyeshadow application. And she sent me this little unicorn tape dispenser that is so cute. It's so sweet. I absolutely love it. Oh, and look at the rainbow tape. Rainbow Pride. Awesome. I absolutely love it. And it actually has little tiny stars on there. That is so cute. Thank you so much. I absolutely love it. Oh, I can't wait to use it. There's a couple more things in here. Go ahead and see what they are. Oh my gosh. This is so awesome, Liz. Physicians Formula Butter Highlighter. This is in the shade Pearl. Oh, I really loved how it gave a super bright bling. Like, I can't wait to try this. Actually, let's try it out right now. I was so excited. I've been looking at these in the stores, and I haven't seen these actually in the Pearl. I see the other shades, but I haven't been able to see this yet, so I'm so excited. Okay, I got this. I can do this. There we go. Oh, and it's a twist cap. I think it goes from a cream to a powder. Ooh, it's super soft and buttery. Look at that. It's super awesome. Wow. Thank you so much. I love, love, love it. Sweet. And it has that smell to it too. Sweet. Thank you so much. That is so awesome. I can't wait to try that some more. Oh no! Lily lashes, you've got to be kidding. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. I'm so excited. Wow. Look at those, guys. Awesome. Ever since I heard Manny Moo talking about the lily lashes, I've been really wanting to try them. Thank you so much, Liz. Oh my gosh. You are too kind, far too kind. Thank you so much. No. Oh my gosh. You've got to be kidding. Oh my gosh, Liz. Wow. You are too much. That's so crazy. Liz, oh my gosh. This is like my absolute fave to die for. Wow. You've got to be kidding. Oh my gosh. It's a finishing powder. Oh, there's the little smoothie thing. Perfection powder. I actually thought it was a little sponge on top, but it's not. So this will be so awesome. I've always wanted to try something from Marc Jacobs. So this would be something that you use on top of your foundation or concealer. Oh my gosh, Liz, that is so awesome. I am so excited. I'm gonna have to try to do a makeup look. Like I said, I'll go ahead and leave her description in her link to her channel in the description box below. Thank you so much. She had sent me these unicorn tape dispenser, the lily lashes, and I can't believe she sent this Marc Jacobs Perfection powder. That is so crazy. And a little Physicians Formula butter highlighter. Thank you so much. Really appreciate all your love and light and support, and I'll keep on continuing mine with your channel as well. Hope everything is going great, and we'll see you later.